Good evening. Welcome to Market Watch. U.S. stocks climbed to record highs after Washington and Beijing signed an initial trade deal, and Morgan Stanley wrapped up big banks' earnings on a strong note. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Index is now up 176 points at 29,206. On tonight's Market Watch, we're joined by the Director of Trading of Haitong International, Mr. Liu Lan, on the line live from New York. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
First, let's look at an important news. The U.S. and China finally signed the Phase 1 trade deal yesterday. Can you tell us what's included and not included in the agreement?
The biggest section of the deal covers Chinese purchases on U.S. products. Beijing pledged to buy an additional $200 billion in goods in the next 2 years. So in 2021, U.S. exports to China needs to reach over $300 billion. However, from the U.S. side, the tariffs on Chinese products almost remain unchanged. What's now included in this deal contains more tough issues, such as Chinese subsidies to state-owned enterprise, which needs to be addressed in Phase 2 negotiation.
Now turning to another topic, the articles of impeachment charging U.S. President Donald Trump with abuse of power and obstruction of Congress were delivered to the Senate today. What can we expect for the impeachment trial?
The impeachment trial will officially kick off in the Senate today. This is the third such proceeding against the U.S. president in history. 7 House managers will read the impeachment articles first. In the afternoon, Chief Justice John Roberts will administer the oath to senators. All senators will swear the oath one by one. After that, the Senate will officially notify the White House of the impeachment trial. Today's schedule is more like a procedure, but every senator will feel the gravity in the impeachment.
Liu, thank you very much for your insights. Now let's take a look at the Dow Jones again. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Index is now up 183 points at 29,211. And that's Market Watch for tonight. Thank you for watching.